everyone, I'm Bryony and welcome to our Easter craft activities. In this video I'll show you how to make a car out of an egg carton. Everything you'll need will be listed below, so have fun and let's get crafting. Start by cutting out one section of your egg box. You may need an adult's help for this as it's very fiddly. Once I've cut it out, there was a hole in the side, so I cut out a square of car and glued this on via the inside. It should look like this once you're finished. Pause here whilst you do this step. Next, I painted what would be the body of our car. Make sure you have something down on the table so you don't get it everywhere. And this is what it should look like. Pause here whilst you do this step. Next, I created my windscreen and headlights using white and yellow card and stuck them on using double-sided sticky tape, but you could use glue. This is what it should look like. Pause here whilst you do this step. After, I drew on my doors using a felt tip pen. This is what they should look like. Pause here whilst you do this step. Finally, I added my wheels. I used Pom Poms and stuck these on using double-sided sticky tape. You could use anything from buttons to toilet rolls or anything round. There you have it, your finished car. If you have any spares, you can make more cars and join them together using a piece of string.